Hi!
Hi guys!
Welcome to my
Vlog. Welcome to...
isa dito.
Welcome
So the other little boy is there. Ha?
Bus terminal.
Kani dire? Oh. It's a new terminal soon. It's under construction. New terminal of GUTALAC. The new terminal of GUTALAC, Zamboanga del Norte. Now it's almost done. Oh my
Gani, wala ko natunog. Naman dyan, may gani, wala ko natunog.
Kado.
Halika.
Ha?
Halika.
We will go to the market. We will buy fish. Fish for breakfast. For lunch.
Baho-baho, na malibaho.
There's a lot of store here. We are in the center of the village. We are in the town. Welcome to GUTALAC, Zamboanga del Norte. In the terminal. The new terminal. O, saan siya diri, kuya? Nice. The water. See, the bus is here. So we used to walk rather than riding bicycle or car because it's still early in the morning and it's our kind of exercise. We will go to the market. Many view. We're here in the market. Fish market. Smell dried fish. Itong isda, oh. Aw. Ayaw, dami na ito. We'll go there. The fish is that area. Yeah, yeah. Pilang kilo, ana?
Ako!
Di pwede, 100 te? La presko na siya?
Karonan eh.
Pula lagi ko,
Sa'yo mo na?
Oo.
Tara ka ko. Umuang ko.
20.
Balik 100 din mo ha, ma'am?
Dili, magkauban rami. Oo. Anong isda? Tuna? Awa, diha ayaw pang hikap-hikap. Ay, makabayad dito anak ko. Narapo na ko.
Hanay mo ako.
Ano po'y galunggong, oh. Ato na ta. Ito ta magilamas. Palitag kamati. Sa may sibulyon. There is the sari-sari store. Okay, pang kanang hilaw-hilaw nga kamatis ayo nang humok.
Hilaw! Hilaw! Wandasli! Hilaw, malo.
Kanang hilaw kini nga nani oh.
Yun, sa likas sa tawa.
Ayun ang mga humok ayo.
Tugbam ang guri, tugbam din.
Namoy suka dito.
Wala.
Suka og toyo.
Mangga apil.
Kalamansi. Ayaw kuruga ba?
Ako.
Asa man?
Apple.
Namo kagaingon si mong mama.
Abi niya di ko kulo mo.
Dili ko kayo. Bigo na yun. Sana ito. Notable cucumber. Itong gagmay, kahalang.
Ay na ako namili ko.
Anong gagmay?
Ano may sili dito good? Ay daw, dagat.
Ay, dara, oh.
Dagat sili dito, Jilin.
Sorry.
Ang ulit sili, ikaw na dagat sila.
Oy, oh, ang uling. Amen.
Palit pa kami.
Ah, naman ron.
Palit pa kami.
Uling. Pila niyo. Dali na. Ay, nahutda na daw. Sukli!
Ang grabe. Tata.
Dali na. Wala, hapit na nahuman ang terminal. Ha?
Wala dito.
Ito, palit ay.
Kamay na tayo.
O, di ha, oh. Palit.
Nara mo na dito. Try kami ng ilan.
Hoy, isara. Mag-uling din mo dito. Isara.
Ano bitaw tayo kahoy?
Pila naman tanan ang sobras kwarta.
Wait.
Pila magyatag?
500.
500. Dili man vlogger.
Kita ba?
So, they go there. Darang, darang, tireng, direng, direng. Up, up. Pila man ni saklian ni. Di na kay. Kinsa na. Soon to open. Wala, day mo nylon. Ah, dito. Ay, lang lulo. Ayok ka. Itong dito sa...
Lukol, tayo kayo.
Dito lagi, oh. Tilang lulo. Ayok man daw. Okay, maglakaw mo. Ang utana daw, dari basig na, ah. So maybe you're wondering, guys, that some store are closed because it's still early in the morning, and some store they will open at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So some store they will open 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, like that time. So some store also they will open 5 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So like that. Grilled chicken, lechon. My favorite. Oh my kid. scooter. Same our scooter. Sorry ka. Gasoline station. So we are here in the highway now. Here in the highway of GUTALAC, Salvador. Tara ah! Tara oh! Ano man? Ulaw ka? Ha?
Bandung di karon.
Ano di? Uli na jacket oh. Kayo ugay. Okay. So they buy nylon for fishing. Ha?
Wala man vlogger.
Practice. Practice ta. Kita daw ko sinyong ipalit. Kita daw ko. Ah, kani. Oh, sakto dyan na, pang pasol.
22 naman ay.
Prato ra.
Tatabok mo ta.
Dagko manggutong. Ayun mong giyan. Dagko manggutugod.
Baba ko.
Ninang ni mo? There is a church. Ali na, kay sir. This little boy is very lazy to walk. Oh, see. He said he's tired. Ah, kay sir. Little boy. We walk again to go home. We'll go home now. Ching! Same our van. Cute. Same our car. Little boy is very lazy. The lazy little boy. I let them to walk, so it's good for them to have exercise. Bakery. House and lot for sale. Oh, maybe someone want to buy house and lot. Oh my God. So this na siya.
Buwi ka po.
Magpakugos, magod na siya. Wala na ako ipansin. Para practice na yung tiil, yung baklay.
Hindi,
Para
mapakugos man di ay. Uy, nasa taon na. Bata.
This little boy, he want me, I carry him. He said he's very tired. My God, he's very lazy to walk. He need water. He needs water. Dad, ulat ka dito, dali na. We're almost there, oh. Tara, let's go. Ito ra, oh. Paningot na gani ko, oh. Oy. What is the name of this grass? Bermuda? Yeah, this is Bermuda. Bermuda grass. It's my favorite grass. One is it's a kind of vegetables.
Vegetables din na.
Oh, vegetables.
Ang kaon man natin
Lak
ng gulay.
likway.
White.
Likway. Takway. Mango tree. This is mango tree.
Wala tayo na kontle, wala na tayo nalintar.
Wala na. Mura na yung isda.
Wala, kasi.
So now we are here to go our home. Our way home. So you know, guys, this is our only problem when we have a heavy rain. Our way is full of clay, mud or whatever. We cannot bring our car or scooter in because of clay. This is zero. This is zero. Sahay! In Cebu, I think our lander we need to sell. So if ever who is willing to buy land in Cebu City, so there is a big land there also. Whew, just we're almost here. I almost arrived. Oops.